For your ear speaker flex cable, this repair would be done if either your speaker itself, when you're trying to talk to somebody and you can't hear them, or you're trying to listen to music or use the auxiliary in your car radio, and the headphones don't work. So it's your speaker, your ear speaker, and your headset jack. And this is what fell out when I took the phone apart. So it may come out on you as well. If it does, don't worry about it. And if this was the repair when you took it apart, then you were already halfway there. So anyways, what we'll end up doing is you can start from either side. It may be easier to start with the headset, or they should both lift up at about the same time. So it really doesn't take much. If it's a little harder, then you could probably get right under the headset jack with the flathead screwdriver. But either one, they should come up relatively easy. So here is your old piece, and here is your new piece. Now you can solder these off of each other. They do have soldering points, but really for the time and effort it would take to solder all this off to put a new headset jack on, it's cheaper just to replace this whole unit. So you can pop that in. Here's your new one. And again, remember, minding the cable, re-plug it onto the board, and test it. But that's how you replace the ear speaker flex cable.